Hello and welcome to the channel. Now this is definitely for my lightsabers. Now it's either 2 cores or 2 blade plugs. I'm thinking it's 2 cores. Yeah, I think these are 2 cores. I do have two lightsabers still coming and another core, and one of these is to replace one in my Ronin, my first NeoPixel saber, because I screwed up the electronics on it. There was a warning to not put too much power through the USB-C ports, and that's exactly what I did. So this is just going to be an unboxing video, and then I'm going to do a separate video where I replace the core in that lightsaber. It won't be a very long video, but yeah. Okay, this one does not have a USB port, which is what I wanted. So that's one core. It's pretty warm though, but it should have, yeah, it has all the screws and everything I need for it. Okay. This is what I need for, I needed 2 of these particular cores because I have a hilt coming that has just a single button, just like my Ronin, and then I also have to replace the one in my Ronin. Now this is shorter than what's currently in the Ronin, but it should still work in there. Actually, I'll take the sleeve off. Yeah, the battery's pretty warm. Hope there's not a short circuit. Yeah, the whole thing is pretty warm. But yeah, it was definitely cheaper than just getting a replacement saber. The 2 cores were less than $100 each. Actually, I think it was about $100 for both of them. And where the USB-C port is on the back here. I hope this sits low enough in there that I can access the USB-C port in the saber. So I got 2 of these here, and yeah, I'll test it all out later. I'm sure it all works. Or, well, that one's sealed. Bear with me a moment here. Okay, it's not turning on. I may have to charge the battery. So I'm pressing the button. I'm using an Allen key that I have here to kind of hold it in place. Yeah, it's not turning on. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to charge it. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good one. Alright, this will be part 2 of this video. I fully charged this core. This is I opened up the second box. This one works. That's the empty box. If we can get this one open. Unfortunately, well, I managed to pull the battery out of this one. Still warm. Holy. Yeah, this one feels warm. I don't know why. This one's cold. But this one's warm. But, yeah, it's completely dead. I've already sent off a claim to AliExpress. I think there's something wrong with the wiring in this one. I'm actually going to pop this battery out. Just bear with me here. I do this carefully. There we go. The battery's still good. I did charge it a bit. But yeah, this core is no good, which kind of sucks. I'm gonna have to get another one. But I'm gonna have to get a refund first, and I need the money for some other stuff right now, so that's gonna have to wait. So I'll probably fix my Ronin NeoPixel Saber, which is the first one that I got on the channel. At least that's what I think it's called. That's what I've seen it called. But this one works. Now, you may want to turn down the volume a bit, quite a bit, because I'm going to turn this other one on, and it will be pretty loud. So, here we go. It's got a very small speaker, but it's definitely very powerful. It's just some of the stuff's a little bit loud, but alright. So yeah, clearly this one works. Wish I could say the same about the other one. I wouldn't know how to fix it. I don't know how to solder. I don't have a soldering gun, and it may be miswired, or there might be a short somewhere in the board. I have no idea. Still slightly warm, but it's cooled off a fair bit already. Yeah, I don't know. I'll tinker with it maybe some other time, but at least now I have an extra battery. But I hope I at least get a refund for the one that's not working. But sometimes AliExpress is a little bit of a pain to deal with. But yeah, it'd be easy for me to tell these apart because one has the battery in it, the other one does not. Is the sleeve still here? No, where did I put that sleeve? Oh, there it is. So I'm gonna wait till I get my empty hilt to put the working one in that I'm waiting on, and then yeah, that other one will have to wait. I'm also expecting a couple of lightsaber blade plugs similar to this. It's a NeoPixel plug. Yeah. Oh, also the other one that I recently got, I might as well do in this video. This one, I actually have a blade in. Gotta turn this one on as well. This one's also a little bit loud.
Power on.
A lot louder. And it'll power off.
Power off.
Alright. So, yeah. I didn't show the other lightsaber too well with the blade in it last time when I put it together, so figured I'd do that in this one. Might as well, instead of doing it as a separate video. It's late, and I still have to go to work later, but anyways, I think that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good one.